Hi, my name is Justin. I'm a business development manager. I give Microsoft Excel a 5 out of 5. Click before and below for more reviews like this. Before Microsoft Excel, I was using Google Spreadsheet, and it wasn't really working for me because it was not as office friendly as Microsoft Excel was, and it wasn't as easy to consolidate my documents as well as crunch the numbers and data when I had to do certain spreadsheets each week. But we chose Microsoft Excel because it's a reputable product. We use like the rest of Microsoft Office, and we thought it'd be easier to consolidate Microsoft Excel with the rest of the Microsoft applications. And everyone that we know that's used it, couldn't give anything but good reviews about it. So we tested it out and loved it. So when we started using Microsoft Excel, we had to train our staff on like the basics of Microsoft Excel, how to do a spreadsheet, as well as get familiar with all like the tasks and all the other features of it. And it took about a couple weeks to prepare, but overall it ended up having everyone pick up on it pretty quickly, and it benefited our organization by a large amount. Now, for anyone that's considering using Microsoft Excel, I would say if you work in an office environment, and especially use Windows computers as opposed to Mac, I would definitely recommend Microsoft Excel as well as the rest of a Microsoft Office, as it is the most efficient and user friendly service for anyone that works in an office and business environment.